Hey everyone, today I'm going to review this SainSmart PLA Plus filament for your 3D printer. I've been using it for a while now and I have some definite opinions on it. So in this video we're going to talk about some of the features of it and then we're going to talk about my actual real world experience so you know what to expect. The SainSmart GT-3 high-speed PLA Plus filament, it's a 1.75, which is pretty much the standard filament size. This is a really high-performance filament. This filament's designed to be used with 3D printers. It is made out of a high-quality PLA Plus. It has this cool satin finish. As you can see, I chose the grayish silver. I will tell you they provided this to me to do this review, but they gave me no instructions. It just came in a bag and I've been using it. I'm going to tell you how that went. But so there are additional colors available if you're interested. PLA Plus in particular is known for strength, durability, and ease of use. I'm going to stop right now and say ease of use was way off the charts. So easy to work with. So let me address some common questions people have. So when I say a high speed, it's good for a high speed printer. This is good for about 200 millimeters per second. And that makes this one of the fastest PLA Plus filaments out there. Another key question which you need to know about is what is its dimensional accuracy, because that's going to control the quality of your prints and jams and that kind of stuff. And this is rated at 0.04 millimeters, which is really on the high end of most filaments, which means you're going to get a very accurate print. Let me show you these prints real quick. So this is the classic Benchy. I thought that was a great test. We all printed it umpteen zillion times. So this is how it came out for me using this filament. And then also I printed this, which I thought was pretty kind of cool. This is a block where you can store multiple SD cards and micro SD cards. I thought it really showed some of the sheen to it and you could get a feel for the texture and how it looked. So those were the two prints that I included for you to see. Overall, I find it hard to believe that you could go wrong with this on the balance of the quality, the accuracy. It's got a great color to it. I love that satiny look. This is a no-brainer for me. If you wanted a recommendation, I'm going to highly recommend this for you. Most likely, there is a link right down below the screen. You can click on there and get it. Worst case, there's going to be a link in the description. As I said, the value proposition is great. This is high quality, reasonable price. You should definitely be looking to get this for yourself or as a gift for somebody. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.